Today, we're going to unbox the BOOM 3 from Ultimate Ears, created on the myBOOM Studio. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I am going to do a quick unboxing of a BOOM 3 from Ultimate Ears. Just last week or a couple weeks ago, we did a quick video to show you guys how to use the myBOOM Studio, which is where you can actually customize these BOOM 3s with different colors and different fabrics and different methods. And we'll link to that video below. And we're going to unbox this thing and show you exactly what we got. And you can watch that video to see how we configured the speaker. And then you'll see if we're going to take a look and see if this thing actually turned out the way we wanted it to turn out. So let's get right to it. It's just came. Actually, I think it was a couple weeks ago, so I think they say 2 to 3 weeks delivery time. So I already cut open the box, but it's the first time I'm pulling it out. Let's see what we got here. There's very nice packaging. The Ultimate Ears, myBOOM 3. Bold 360 true and balanced sound, so you can hear every note. Little tape here on the back. We're going to just pull that little convenient tab to pull, and that just kind of releases the thing. Oh, there's two, one on the bottom, one on the top. So, as you know, we configured this. I believe we chose, I can't even remember what we chose. Really neat packaging they have. Alright, there's the neat packaging right there. Pretty cool looking. Really nice, very colorful. So let's open this guy up. I think it opens from the bottom here. And we'll just flip that open, and here is the speaker. And that is exactly what we ordered. That blue with this kind of maroon. I can't remember the name of the actual thing, but you see in the myBOOM Studio you can actually customize the color of the fabric here, the color of the buttons, the color of the top and the bottom, and the color of the lanyard hold, the little loop there. And then you can actually get something engraved on this in the inside. Now it turned out a little bit different than what I thought it was going to turn out, but it looks really good. Of course, it says has the website name on there. And that is it, guys. We'll have a full review of this coming up on TECHAERIS. It's smaller than I expected. And I believe this is $199. I'll have to, if I'm wrong on that, I'll correct that and with an overlay on the video. But you just have to go into we'll link down to the video. We'll link to the video down below. But you just go into the studio and you just make your design, and that's it. Let's see, we have power, Bluetooth, and the magic button, which is looks like it's multi-function button, so play, pause, and all that stuff. Let's see what else you get in the box, though. And we're doing a little bit of a different camera angle here today. It's just kind of an impromptu video. This just showed up literally minutes ago. All right, here's your flat USB cable for charging, and unfortunately it's micro USB. I really like to get that into USB-C territory. And there is your port for charging. And it's water resistant, so they have that closed up really well. And the only other thing in here is just safety information and instructions. So that is it. Well, there is this as well. This is a quick guide. Use the magic button, how to use the magic button, how to set it up, getting started, etc., etc. But hey, this is a pretty good looking little speaker, and you can configure it any way you want. That is it for the unboxing. It was a quick video today. We'll be back next week with the vlog. And if you haven't if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. And check out some of the other videos we do. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notifications of whenever we release a new video. And that is it, guys, and we will talk to you guys on the other side.